Hey guys, it's Sheena, and for today's video is very questionable. Yeah, because this is my first podcast, and I realized that I should start doing a podcast video because I have a lot of thoughts, realizations, and I want to share it all to you. So, yes, we'll be talking about how my ex cheated on me. So that topic is really very sensitive because I have two exes, and yes, we should tackle first for the first ex. So before I started myself to get into a relationship, I didn't know, I didn't plan, but yeah, I still go with the flow, and I don't know it's at his attitude or what he's doing, what his background. And if you will go to a relationship, you should have first a talk to that person. You should know him or her and just wait for the right time for them. Because if you are on a rush, you cannot express on how you'll be feeling. Like this is so fast. So what can I do? And I have the feeling of liking the person and like liking, it's like loving the person, right? So, as a person who is very involved or like who is involved in somewhat relationship, you know, and okay, guys, I will be speaking Tagalog and also English. And hindi mo alam kung etong person na to ay good for you. So, you don't know nga, ano ba to? Like, paano ko ba i-express sa sarili ko na this person might give me a downfall to my future or a success. Yes, you should also think that this kind of person will help you ba or like gagawin ka ng toxic, di ba? So, a lot of people are experiencing na yung relationship nila nag-last long, then after that, ay, yan, nagka-cut sila, like they break up because they don't grow to each other. So, why would you enter in a relationship na alam mo naman na ika-cut mo kasi wala kayong growth, 'di ba? So for me is that you enter in a relationship, so you should know what's the consequences, ano yung magiging scenario in the future, 'di ba? And yeah, as a person na who is very concerned sa studies, so don't involve yourself in a relationship, okay? And focus on your career, your studies. But if you're that person who can balance love and career, and why not, right? But sometimes you get sick, like not sick na yung lalagnatin ka, diba? But sick in a way na what if this kind of person will give you much more heartbreak, right? But yes, as a person, I always said to myself that God first, you should pray and ask God for guidance. Because if you ask guidance for God, and then He will give it to you. He will give guidance to you. He will let that other person, him or her, to push away. Like, well, God said that, hey, get out. You cannot, like, wala kang magagawa sa tao na ito kasi toxic ka, ganyan, di ba? And yes, like, I don't know, guys. This is just only my thoughts, my opinion. So I don't know about you all. It's like opinion ko to at sa inyo, may opinion din kayo, 'di ba? And yes, maybe this is First, the part one, realization, how to handle, and what's the what's the key. And also, lastly, paano ko ba to i-express? Paano ko ba malalaman na yung taong ito ay para sa akin, di ba? So, ayun na guys, ito pala si Sheena Jens. And for the next podcast na naman, just comment down below kung nag-enjoy kayo ng podcast ko. I just like, nagtithink lang ako kung ano ba yung bagay na gusto kong ilabas sa isip. It's something that keeps on telling me to, hey, you should take that video on how you express, what's your opinion. And yes, this is actually the first video where I said my opinions and my thoughts. Like, oh yeah. Bye guys, this is Shina Yan.